Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of sophistication and style as we explore the must-have for your dream dressing areas. If you have been longing for a touch of opulence in your daily routine, you are in the right place. Let's talk about luxury dressing units and how they can transform your space into a heaven of elegance. What exactly is a luxury dressing unit? At its core, it's a stylish and functional pieces of furniture designed to house all your clothing, accessories, and personal items. It is not just about storage, it is about creating a space that reflects your unique taste and makes getting ready a delight. The foundation of any luxurious dressing unit lies in its materials option for premium woods for a timeless and sophisticated look. These materials not only exude class but also ensure durability, giving you a pieces that stands the test of time. Whether you prefer a classic, minimalistic, or contemporary aesthetic, there is a luxury dressing unit to match your style. Look for clean lines, subtle detail, and thoughtful craftsmanship. A well designed unit not only elevates the overall look of your space but also enhances its functionality. A cluttered space is the enemy of luxury. Invest in a dressing unit with thoughtful designed compartment and drawers. Decided section for jewelry, ties, scarves, and shoes ensure that everything has its place, making your daily routine efficient and enjoyable. Let there be light. Proper lighting is the secret ingredient to a luxurious dressing experience. Incorporate soft, ambient lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider LED lights for a modern touch, ensuring that you have a well light space to make those important fashion discussion. A dressing unit is incomplete without a stunning mirrors. Choosing a mirror that not only serves its practical purpose but also add a touch of glamour to your space. Full length mirror are a popular choice, providing a head to toe width for your daily outfit assignments. Every individual is unique and so should be your dressing unit. Explore customizable options that allow you to tailor the unit to your specific needs, from adjustable shelves to personalized finished. Make it a reflection of your personal style. Taking care of your luxury dressing unit is essential to preserve its beauty. Regular dusting, avoiding direct sunlight exposure, and using appropriate wood cleaner are simple step to ensure your investment remain in top note condition. As we wrap up our guide to luxurious dressing unit, remember that creating a space that execute sophistication is within your reach. Invest in quality materials, pay attention to design details, and customize your unit to reflect your unique style. Elevate your space and make every day a luxurious experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which luxurious dressing unit catch your eyes.